actions really got me, baby. On my mind, forever's on my mind, yo.
Hey everyone, it's Maya. I'm back with another video, and this one is more comfortable for me to talk about. This is how I kind of started YouTube, was hair. So as you can see, this is my hair right now, and I get a lot of questions on my hair and like the kind of styles I do, and like if like my washing goes and stuff. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and do a whole series on it. I kind of started a series a couple years back, but I never finished it, so hopefully this time we can go ahead and finish it. But before we get into that, if you are new to my channel, hello, how you doing? I'm Maya. Welcome to my world. And I hope that you enjoy this video. Comment if you have anything to ask or just want to say something. Like this video so that I can know if this is something that viewers like to see, and I hope that you subscribe. But beyond that, today this particular style that I have was achieved from doing a braid out, and so I just kind of wanted to talk about it, and then this is going to be my like explanation in words, and then I'll do like a video on it later on of like a how to whatnot. So for me, protective styles are very like crucial for me during the winter times, because the cold can be really harsh on my hair. Another like thing for me is my scalp, and my scalp would get, I thought it was getting dry or like for no reason, but I ended up going to a dermatologist this summer, and I was diagnosed with a mild case of seborrheic dermatitis. I think that's how you pronounce it. And basically it's like psoriasis of the scalp, but you can use different things to like cure it. There is no like cure for it other than just trial and error basically. But since then I've been trying to get kind of like a handle on what my scalp likes and doesn't like. But let's jump into the products I use. So I'm gonna start with my shampoo. I use Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Hemp Peppermint Pure-Castile soap, and this stuff is amazing because it's not like a shampoo necessarily. It's like an all-purpose cleaner. That kind of sounds weird, but it is an all-purpose cleaner. This is so pure, but it has like all these different instructions and like all this different kind of writing on it, and it's organic. It's made with organic oils, and you can see the ingredients is it's like 10 things. Like I said, you can use this for a lot of things. You can use this to wash your body, you can use this to clean your counters, you can use this to do laundry, you can use this for all kinds of stuff. Like I said, it's an all-purpose cleaner. Very good stuff. I would highly recommend this to people that have dry scalp, dandruff, or just want to use something natural. Now, this is a holy grail for me. I've been using this for years, almost coming on like 7-8 years I've been using this stuff. I swear by it. This is the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration Conditioner. This stuff has incredible slip. So slip meaning that when I get my hair wet and put this conditioner on, it gets my hair slippery that I can actually take a comb through it without it like breaking my hair off. It gets like the dead hair, like the natural breakage that your hair already has, but it doesn't cause any breakage, and this is what this conditioner does for me. Love it. It smells like coconut to like it just smells really good. Like it makes you smell really good. I love this stuff. Swear by it. Most of these you can find at the drugstore. Like I got all this stuff at Walmart. This isn't expensive stuff. I do use expensive stuff, but this isn't it. Okay, this is a new find for me. This is the Eden Natural Curl Defining Cream, and someone that at my job, my old job, she was my supervisor, and her hair was curly. She used it and she told me about it when I asked her about it, and so I said, you know what, let me give it a try. It's about like $9 I think, but it's really thick cream. It has hair in it, but it's really like it's thick, so it lasts a very long time. It smells like, it's a very light scent. It smells kind of like kind of reminds me of Play-Doh in a sense, but it's very light. But this is supposed to be a like a leave-in kind of conditioning defining cream. I've used them for protective styles, so I did like 3 twist outs with this, and I love the results that it gave me. It kept my hair really moisturized, and I just use this as a moisturizer, nothing else. So I really like this product. I think it's something that I'm gonna keep, and I would definitely recommend to others if you need a thick, rich, moisturizing, like intense moisturizing leave-in conditioner. That would be good. I kind of skipped over something, I'm sorry, but deep conditioner. This is the Aussie 3-minute moist, 3-minute miracle deep conditioner. Now you can find all kinds of stuff about this online. Everyone raves by this, and it's because it works. I left this on my hair for I didn't leave it on for 3 minutes, even though this is really good if you just need it quick in the shower. You put this on, rinse it out of your hair, it'll keep you. But I left it in my hair for about 4 or 5 hours, and my hair is thanking me for it. Like, my hair looks so good after. And then the last thing for styler is the Xtreme Professional Wetline Gel. My sister, when I went home for winter break, she was using this for her hair, and so I just started using it there, and I didn't think too much of it, but I wanted to try it for myself with like a style or whatever, and I really like it. My first time using it, has aloe vera, alcohol-free UV filter, like to help with the sun, which I really like. And I used it for this, and I think the combination of Eden and Xtreme together is great. This is really cheap too. This is like $3 I want to say, and it definitely reminds me of like the EcoStyle clear gel. So I know there was a lot of controversy on EcoStyler a little while ago, so if you're looking for a new gel, that might be the way to go. Now, aside from that, some products that I use that I feel like help any style, whether it be protective or wash and go or any of that, I just wanted to go over a little bit too. I don't think people take into as much consideration as they should the thing that they detangle their hair with, and this baby is the Denman brush. I swear by it. If you want a review just on this brush alone, I could give you some tips and tricks on Denman brush, but this is the Denman brush. This is the black one. I freaking swear by it. This changed my life when it comes to my hair journey. A good alternative to this would be paddle brushes. They're cheaper, so they're gonna break easier. This one doesn't break. I've had this for about 3.5 years now, and the one I had before this, because I bought one before this, it was red, I had it for about 5 years, but I lost it moving and I had to buy a new one. I was really mad because these aren't cheap. These are you can get these at Sally's. I think you can get them online, but they're about like $20-25. So it's something, it's kind of an investment, a hair investment, but it's something that you will never regret, in my opinion. This thing has changed my life and I swear by it. So yeah, and then also clips. So these help with detangling. I can take a certain section and like pin it up with a clip. I use these in the shower. I use these just about all the time for anything. And then also a spray bottle. I didn't bring it over here with me, but a spray bottle is essential. I didn't have one for a very long time, but shout out to my birthday, I put it on a wish list and I actually got it. And water bottles are great because your hair needs to be moist and damp and wet in order to absorb and detangle and like style. And so your hair can get dry outside, but you don't need to re-wet your whole head. You can just spray it with a spray bottle in certain sections. And so I use 100% cotton t-shirts, and here's one. This is just an old Liberty shirt. I have so many Liberty shirts. They give like free shirts out for everything, so this is just an old one that I decided to use for my hair. And then this is another one, and I use 100% cotton shirts, and then I just take it when I'm in the shower, put it over and like anything else, and I put it up, wrap it up, and I let my hair dry in that. So when I took it out on freshly washed hair, then I section the hair. I do like about, it doesn't matter, it's just however I feel, and I put this natural curl defining cream on. I really get it in my hair, smooth it in there, make sure my hair feels moisturized, and then I use my Denman brush again to detangle, because I already detangled in the shower. So I use this again to detangle, make sure the hair is really detangled because it was put up into a shirt. And then from there, I took the Xtreme gel, but as much as I felt I needed. There's no real set amount. You got to know your hair, and it's trial and error, but once you know your hair, you can fill it out. And so I put it on my hair until I felt that it was smooth, and then once it was smooth, I didn't rake it through my hair, I smoothed it. So like this, smoothing it on the hair all the way down. And then once I felt I was smooth, then I just broke it into a 3-part section, like any standard braid, and braided it down to the bottom. And then I added perm rods to the ends. I used 2 different perm rods, the blue perm rods, which I think are 1/2 inch. I'm not too sure, I know they're blue though. And then I think these are 1/3 inch, it has hair on it, sorry, 1/3 inch perm rods. And I put these at the end, so I braid it all the way down to the ends, and then about 1 inch before I'm done braiding, I wrap this around the bottom. After I wrap it around the bottom, I put my bonnet on like I showed you, tie it in the back, tie it around. I sleep with the perm rods in my hair, and then the next day, usually for this one I left it in for 2 days, but that's not the regular. I usually leave it in just overnight. In the morning I'll unbraid them all, and braid them and separate them, which is a whole like process in itself, because you want to make sure when you separate where the hair naturally separates, and you don't create your own separation, so there's not a lot of frizz and you get maximum amount of wear out of the hairstyle, whatnot like that. But like I said, I just wanted to do this kind of like an introduction into my whole like winter hair care kind of stuff, because I want to do more hair videos. There's so many people who have so many different techniques, and so if I can provide any help to anybody, that's what I'm here for. If you have any questions about the process or anything, just leave a comment below. I will get back to you. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, my forever. Those links will be in the bottom. And I hope this video was informative of some sort to you. Just thank you for watching and coming into my world with me, and I will see you in the next video.